premiership. What if the Queen finds out?
That old crow. She doesn't know what goes on out here. Luckily.
Delivering message.
Your footballness. It's a message bird.
Huh? Well, go on, make it.
Hello? Hello? How do you use this message bird thing?
It's the Queen.
Just speak into its ear, Mom. It will mimic everything it hears. I don't even know if I'm holding it that... Testing? Testing. North? North?
Perhaps she's heard about the game.
Of course she hasn't heard about the game.
I've heard about the game. You arranging a football match against a bunch of savages? You idiot! Imagine if we lost.
We won't!
I said imagine it! Exactly! The mighty Bronze Age brought to its knees by a bunch of cavemen? Well, I'm warning you, Nuth. You'd better not lose.
End of message.
Silly old bat! How dare she talk to me like that?
Puh, silly old bat. How dare she talk to me like that?
Delivering message.
Guards! Get that bird back! What does the Queen know anyway? The cave